Who's that? Riya sir, you're coming for exercise. Join. Okay, I'll start. Maybe I'll start with a little bit of exercise. Okay, little introduction. Before you start an exercise routine, like you need to do some basic stretches. So wherein hi, Kesiva, good. ஓகே இன்றைக்கி தமிழில் தான் பேச போகிறேன் நான் இங்கிலீஷில் கொடுக்கல லைவ் நிறைய பேர் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கனால. ஸோ எக்ஸசைஸில் வந்து நம்ம நிறையா ரொட்டீன் பண்ணுவோம், பட் ஸ்ட்ரெச்சிங் பண்ணவே மாட்டோம். நம்ம நிறையா மிஸ் பண்ணுவோம் ஸ்ட்ரெச்சிங்கை. ஸோ ஸ்ட்ரெச்சிங் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். நம்ம மசிலோட லென்த்தனிங்க்கும் மசில் டயர்ட்னஸாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது ரெக்கவர் ஆகிறதுக்கும் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெச்சிங் வந்து இட் இஸ் வெரி மச் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இப்போ நான் சொன்ன அந்த 100 ரெப்படேஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் வில் பி அ டயரிங் ஒர்க் அவுட், பிகாஸ் 100 ரெப்படேஷன் இட் இஸ் நாட் அன் ஈஸி திங். ஏன்னா எல்லா எக்ஸசைஸுமே நீங்கள் 100 ரெப்படேஷன் பண்ண போகிறீங்க. ஸோ பிஃபோர் தட் யூ நீட் டு ஸ்டார்ட் அப் வித் பேசிக் ஸ்ட்ரெச்சஸ். ஐ வில் ஸ்டார்ட் வித் யுவர் glute, your bottom muscle. Normally we don't do the stretch. நீங்கள் நிறைய பேர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெச்சஸ் வந்து கழுத்து பண்ணுவாங்க, ஷோல்டர் ரொட்டேஷன் பண்ணுவாங்க, கை இந்த ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்ணுவாங்க, சைட் பெண்டிங் பண்ணுவாங்க, ஹாம்ஸ்ட்ரிங் ஸ்ட்ரெச் பேருக்குன்னு வந்து தொடர மாதிரி தான் பண்ணுவாங்க. பட் ஐ வில் சே யுவர் லோ பாடியில் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மசில் இஸ் யுவர் glutes, யுவர் bottom muscle. That one you need to stretch, and your adductors, mainly inner thigh, it works, and your IT band, mainly on the side thighs. So lower body stretch I'm going to do first. So starting with glutes. So glutes, it's easy. When you sit, see, you cross your leg on your thigh. Okay, I'll go a little back. If you are sitting on a chair or comfortably, you cross, you keep it, and you need to bend down. Make sure the chair doesn't move. Okay, or else if you have a table or dining table in your home, you can use that. So I'm going to use this for stretching. So imagine you are sitting here. So sit on the table like normal sitting. Okay, keep your leg up. This is the first position. You're going to do it. Then keep your spine straight and bend forward to reach. Here you can feel the stretch in the sides. So this is people who can bend. Okay, in this you want to have a better stretch. You twist yourself, so take the opposite shoulder to the knee. Okay, so hold the stretch for 15 counts. Mainly edukku vandu 15 counts solrana, the time taken by the muscle impulse from your muscle to your brain and get back to the muscle. So 15 seconds மேல நீங்க ஹோல்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்க ஸ்ட்ரெச்சஸ் வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் ஆகும். ஓகே, ஸோ அது ஒரு விஷயம். இன்னொன்று வந்து டோன்ட் கம்பல் யுவர் செல்ஃப். சப்போஸ் என்னால் இவ்வளோ தான் போக முடியும்னா அங்கேயே இருங்க. ரொம்ப பிடிச்சி தலைமோனா யூ வில் கெட் அ கேட்ச் ஆன் த ஆப்போசிட் குரூப். ஓகே, அகோனிஸ்ட் ஆன்டகோனிஸ்ட் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ எந்த மசில் குரூப் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அதோட ஆப்போசிட் குரூப்பில் வந்து கேட்ச் ஆகும், மசில் கேட்ச் ஆகும். ஸோ அதனால வந்து அப்படி பண்ணாதீங்க, கம்பல் பண்ணாதீங்க. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஈஸி. ஸோ யூ ஆர் கம்ஃபர்டபுள், யூ ஜஸ்ட் சிட் in your sofa, in your bed, you can sit like this, keeping your leg up and just this. Second one is your hamstring, keeping your legs straight. Okay, so raise your hand up, reach. So you can feel the stretch on the hamstring in this. If you want, initially you cannot keep your foot straight, it will be going like this. Fine, reach there, you can feel the stretch on the lateral side. Try to make it straight and touch with your opposite hand. Reach. So hold the position. Stretch. This is again a basic. Okay. Next one for the inner thigh, we do a inner thigh stretch of like spreading your leg and going down to catch. That is normal, but here I am going to give an advanced stretch with a table. Okay, எத்தனை பேருக்கு இது பண்ண முடியும் தெரியாது. You have to keep your leg up and stretch, so we can feel the muscle lengthening here. Hold the stretch. Okay, the other side. So if you're comfortable, you can go back and stretch more. Okay, next one, glute order, advanced stretch. For this, you need to like support it on a wall. I'll say like table on the move avula appadina prachana kedaiyadhu. So table on the you have to like rest it against a wall. Okay, I will take it a little closer. Keep your leg 90-degree angle, just hop, go down and try to sit in this position. You can feel the stretch on the glutes, the side. If you want to have more, twist in the opposite direction, stretch. Okay, mostly நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து காலை வந்து தூக்கி போட முடியாது. அவங்களுக்காக தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து you better sit, turn, okay, then hop. If you can go down more, you can go down and stretch. Okay, so each stretch at your comfortable pace. You want to do it like 3 times, 4 times, it's fine. Like stretching மட்டுமே ஒரு நாள் ரொட்டீனா கூட பண்ணலாம். So அதனால வந்து எந்த ஒரு ஹார்மும் கிடையாது. You will feeling better also. Okay, so basic stretch. The next one is your IT band, your side thigh. Side thigh stretch இதில் எப்படி பண்றது அப்படின்னா, you need to like keep your leg up. You stand straight. Right leg twist your hip, keeping your knees straight. You can feel the stretch on the side. Don't go reach. Same hamstring stretch. You're going to keep your leg up and touch. Here for the IT band, you cross it down. Okay, keep your foot flat on the floor. Sorry, a table. Lock the knee. Then reach. You can feel the stretch on the side. Hold there. Okay, the next side. I'll put it this way for you. Okay, so just you can feel the stretch here. Okay, next one. For your front thigh, easy stretch. You take and pull. You can feel the stretch here. So you can hold it for like 15 to 20 counts. Front thigh. Okay, the other side. Okay, if you are not comfortable, you can take support of the wall also. Here I am going to like do a little advanced one, wherein you are going to like go down. Okay, I am going to like push the comment, that's it. So I'll see the comment later. Okay, so you just keep your leg up. Okay, you keep it up. Hop, go down. So you can feel the stretch more here. If you want, you can raise your hand up and bend the side. You can feel the stretch. Okay, the other side. Okay, நிறைய friends கேட்டப்போ வந்து they said they don't have time to work out. Now they have more time, but they don't have the heart to work. Okay, see, do something, any exercise, anytime. That's good for you. Okay, So you can do stretching 15 minutes, that is also a workout. You can do a push-ups, squats, also a workout. Okay, you can make it as a chart like every 2 hours once you do 10 repetition of squats, 10 repetition of push-ups. You can do it on the wall. See here also you can do. So you can do a wall push-ups, wherein if you're going on this, you can do a wall push-ups. There's so many options are there. Workout, no, you will get more. There is no options. Okay, next one, ID band. I said like we have seen the YouTube video like crossing the leg and going down. Bend பண்ணுவோம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த சைடில் ஃபுல்லாக உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் பெயின். Stretch, you hold there. Okay, the other side. Okay, so upper body la main major muscle your pec muscle. So adukku vandu pathina you can use the wall to stretch or even the table. Okay, you go down, keep your hand on the table, go down, press. So you can go down, you can pull, stretch only there. So this is shorter muscle group. Same thing, straight vachittu you stretch. Same thing this side. Longer. Okay. So tricep. Other side. Okay, next stretch, just hold it for 8 seconds. Okay, you are ready. So who is joining 100 repetitions? Anybody want to join? You can say, okay, I'm going to start my first push-ups 100. So it is more of your comfortable zone, so I may try 20 of 5 sets or like even like 10 whichever is comfortable. Not I'm in a hurry, so I have to complete. Only the completion is important than so you have to focus only on the completion. So I'm going to like do it. Okay. So if you are not comfortable, you can do the modified version also. No need to do a full version. Take your breath. Much comfortable irundhuchuna you can start. Okay, starting with second set. So anybody is doing, you can give a count. How many you finish? Okay, I may end up doing 10. I don't want to push more. Okay, 60 done, 40 more to go. So the idea of like doing 100 is improving my upper body strength. Lower body is always strong because we climb, we run, but upper body we don't do. Earlier days we used to lift weights. Now nothing is there in home also, so we are not lifting anything. So upper body strength is very much needed, and mostly like when you are working with mobile, holding the mobile, and like you will get all sort of pains, and again sitting in the system like this, again this will get tighter only. So you have to stretch. So you need to like do the upper body strength. Your muscle needs strength as well as stretch to be pain free. So injury happens in two ways. Okay, 60, 80 now, maybe 10. Okay, 13. $18, $20, $80 finish, 2 more to go, $20 to go. $20 more to finish my push-ups, hundreds. Take your time. See, the completion is very much important than like skipping or like not doing it. So try to complete, try to fight with you, try to challenge you. I may do 10 normal and 10 modified maybe. $90 done, 10 more to go. Okay, 10 more. Okay, I may do modified, but I will push myself. I don't want to let you all down. Okay, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more. Okay, finish my push-ups. 1 minute, I'll just cut my notification. Okay, okay. Okay, right now, prisoner squats, hundreds. Again, feet apart, keep your hands up. Okay, you can go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, I'm going to do 4 sets of 22, 25. Okay, good. Okay, 3 more sets to go. Squats. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 2 more sets to go. You fight with yourself. Get your breathe. Hi, Palani. கல்யாண சோழன் சார் எங்கே பெங்களூரில் பண்ணுறீங்களா? ஏய் ஜாக் ராபர்ட், okay, third set of 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Almost sets 75 gone. 25 to go. Done. Your mind will say to like stop. Don't stop. Push yourself. Push your limit. Until unless you decide, nothing will change. Okay, last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, next is calf raise. I'm going to do 50 of 2 sets. Okay. Twenty, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 35, 6, 27, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 50. Okay, 50, 1 set over, 1 more set to go. Actually, Calf is your second heart. People who are having varicose vein, you have to stretch as well as strengthen the calf muscle. So this is the best exercise you can do. There is a lot of variation in that. So you can start with the basic one. Six, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, squats done. Crunches. I'm going to put it down. Okay. Can be closer. 100 crunches. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You want to do variations? You can do variations. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Variations are there. You can do. I'll show you the variations. Okay. Now for the sides. Up, touch. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Fourth set. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, 100 over. No back extension. Three more sets to finish the workout. Ready? Go. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 2. Two more sets to go. Last 2 sets. One more set. Last set to go. Last set. Okay, with this I have finished my hundreds workout. I think whoever watched, please try it at home. Your healing time starts when you think you can do. So people may think that if you are on a heavier side you cannot do exercise. When I can do, you can do it. And I think நிறைய பேர் வந்து என்கிட்ட வந்து சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பாங்க, இவர் வந்து டைம் இல்லை, வேலைக்கே கரெக்டாக இருக்குன்னு. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு நிறையா டைம் இருக்குது, நீங்கள் தான் எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணணும். This is a time to like rejuvenate yourself in your home. And now mostly like our sedentary life only is the main cause for all the disease. Now the time is there. I know people who can do at your home, no need of equipment, only your heart to do the exercise will make a lot of wonders in your body and the ability. Please rejuvenate yourself and be healthy, stay home, stay fit. Happy, healthy and a healing time. Start with Healing Buddha. Karthik, bye. Have a nice day.